It is hailing here in Dallas as I'm editing a piece. I'm editing a video today called Clouds. And one of the first lines is how generally people don't even think about them or notice them unless it's raining or hailing. Actually, I don't say that, but I think the hail portion of our program is almost done, but it's still hailing. Look at that. And I think it's pretty much done, but it is like 80 degrees out here. It can hail and be 80 degrees. Two firsts. The largest hail I've ever seen in my life. B, oh my gosh, I mean, this is, oh my, I've got to get my container. Wow. I'm going to get my container before it melts or stops. This is crazy. I gotta capture some of this and keep it. Holy Nike. Let me go grab it. Wow. Here. This could actually damage cars. Wow. I got another bug. Some of it's really science fiction looking. This is one of the coolest weather things I've ever experienced. Wow. Some of it's real jagged, and some of it's real smooth. Just amazing. Gotta get these in the freezer before. A little dangerous. All right, I know when to cut my losses or cut my wings.